Good morning, boys and girls. We are going to work on our math test today, so make sure you've got your test out. And all you'll need is some pencils and crayons with you. Put your name at the top, and then we'll get started. All right, by the red apple, there are some number words, and there are some 10 frames that have red counters in them. We want to match the number word to the counter. So I'm going to click on these to see if you can hear them.
9.
There's 9.
6.
6.
8.
And 8. So you want to put your pencil on the word 9 and draw a line to the 10 frame that has 9 red circles in it. Then put your pencil on the word 6. It starts with the S. And draw a line to the 10 frame that has 6 red circles in it. Put your pencil on the word 8. That's that tricky word that starts with an E, even though it doesn't sound like it. Draw a line from the word 8 to the 10 frame that has 8 red circles in it. All right, then come down to where you see the yellow sun. All right, next to the yellow sun, they want you to show the number 7. So use your crayons and mark 7 boxes and color them in. And then use a pencil and write the number 7 on the line. Show me 7 boxes in the 10 frame colored in with a crayon. And then write the number 7 using your pencil. Now we are down here by the green leaf.
5 and what number more?
All right, to make that number 7, you had to fill in 5 boxes. And then how many more? Write that number with your pencil. You filled in that whole top row that was 5 boxes. And then how many more did you have to fill in to get to 7? Write that number. All right, then you are going to turn your page and fold it back when you are finished. You should have a blue flower at the top of your page. All right, boys and girls, count those yellow circles in the 10 frame and fill in the number that tells me how many there are. Was it 2, 3, 5, or 7? Count the yellow circles and mark under the number that tells me how many. Next, you're going to put your finger on the purple butterfly. All right, count these colored balls and tell me how many there are. 6, 8, 9, or 10. Fill in the circle under the number. Make sure you count them. All right, next you should be right here where you see this brown acorn. Here's the number we're looking at.
8.
All right, the number is 8. Mark under the set where you see 8 hats. Those are little cowboy hats, it looks like. You're going to need to touch them and count them. Find 8. When you find 8, mark under that circle. All right, now we are by the pink heart. Here's our number.
9.
9. Next to the number 9, you have some little instruments that look like the little maracas that you shake. You want to find the set that has 9 in it. Fill in the circle under the set that has 9. When you are finished, just flip that page over. We are on our last page. You should have a blue fish at the top of the page. All right, looking at these 10 frames, they have some red counters and some yellow ones that they have put together. They want you to find the 10 frame that shows 6. Which one did they make 6? Using the red and the yellow, which one shows 6? Fill in the circle under that set. All right, next, put your finger on the seashell. It has some more 10 frames with red and yellow counters in them. They want you to find the set that shows 9. Which one did they make 9? All right, put your finger on the orange.
7.
All right, they have the number 7. Mark under the set that shows 7. You got some bluish purple bunnies. Which set has 7 in it? Next, put your finger on the green turtle. All right, you've got some red counters in the 10 frame. How many do you have? Your choices are 6, 7, 8, or 9. Touch and count those red counters or circles in that 10 frame and mark to show me how many there are. All right, boys and girls, our last problem. Put your finger on the red sailboat. You've got some yellow counters in the 10 frame. Mark how many there are. 9, 8, 7, or 6. Touch them and count them to be sure, and then mark how many there are. boys and girls, thank you for working so hard on your test. That back page we are not doing together. That's one where we kind of need to be together in the room and have some different materials to use. So do not worry about the back page. Make sure your name is on the front though, so that when I check your paper, I will know whose it is. And put that back in your packet and bring it back to school when we bring packets back, and I will check it for you. Great job. I'm proud of all your hard work. Let me know if you need any help or if you had any questions about your test.